got a Mazak FJV20. Sweet little machine with table changer built in. Over here is your access to the tool magazine. Mazatrol M Plus controls. We've got manuals. Then if we come over here, what you want to run the tool change first?
Sure.
There's no tools in the magazine, but it'll run the sequence. Why don't you go ahead and run it again and with another tool so they can see the magazine rotate.
Okay.
Yeah, I did. If you'll notice, before it was on tool 5, then it was on tool 1. That's good. Now let's run it through the axis.
That's going home, so all home. Do Y, X, Z.
Excellent.
All home.
All right, let's run our spindle. It's got coolant in the spindle. You're about, what, 500?
That's 500.
All right. Holler out your RPMs. It's
1,000.
All right.
1,500.
All right.
2,000.
Run it up to 3,000.
2,500. 3,000 RPM.
All right. See, that spindle's sweet. It doesn't, man, it's good shape.
Going down. It's 1,500. 1,000.
Excellent.